Assalamu alaikum to everyone, welcome to Aber Afeef Photography YouTube channel. It's a brand new video. Welcome to my channel. In this video we're gonna talk about something really interesting and gonna help you a lot in your photography. If you're interested, just keep watching. Here are 10 steps that can improve your photography and you have to keep them in mind. The first one here with us, which is really interesting, is understanding your own camera. You have to understand your own camera, whether it's a phone camera or a digital camera. So you have to understand how to deal with it in order to get better photographs. The second thing here is what? You have to take photos using the manual mode in the camera or a pro mode in the phone. This is gonna help you a lot in improving your photography, so you can take a full control over the settings of the photograph, so you can set up the exposure as well and you have come up with a great exposed photo. Number 3 here, which is really interesting, which is composition. Composition is really important in photography, so you have to come up with a great composed photograph. In order to get more information about this thing, which is composition, inshallah we're gonna make a video about it in the upcoming videos. Also, there is a great video for Muhammad Hassan, who is a great YouTuber and photographer at the same time, and his content is really great, so you can watch it out. I will put the link down below in the comments. So after that we have number 4, which is really important in photography and all we know. It's light and light. Light is very interesting, so if you are photographing something, you have to be sure that you are getting good light in order to make your photograph looks better and looks more professional and also really good exposed. Number 5 on the list here, which is choosing the right angle. It's really interesting. So there are different angles. We have the low angle, we have the high angle, we have also the bird eye angle, and also we have the straight angle. So all these angles are gonna help you a lot in improving your photography, so you know when to use this angle, in which position, and which kind of photography you are using this angle. So let's go to the 6th one on the list here, which is really important to know. It is choosing the right time to photograph the outside light, which is natural light. You have 2 times in the day which is very ideal to take photos in. The first time, which is sunset, and the second time, which is sunrise. I make it like, you know, in the opposite. So it is right. Also, you have the cloudy weather. It's very interesting and ideal to take photos all the day because the light is soft and we don't have any harsh light. But also avoid not taking photos in the harsh daylight, which is at noon and afternoon, and also, you know, from 8 a.m. till 4 p.m. you don't have to take photos during this time because light, it is very harsh, not soft. Also, except in the cloudy weather, you can take photos all the day long. So let's come up with the 7th point here, which is really important, is choosing the right place to take your photographs. Because if you are choosing the right place, you will come up with great photographs. Also, at the other side, if you choose a bad place, you will come up with terrible photographs. But also the photographer can find beauty within everything around them, even from trash. That's true, I think. So now number 8, which is really important to know, which is capturing the right moment. And I'm now talking about what, like, you know, sport photography, also like children photography, also animals, birds, wildlife photography. All these things, they need from us what? To set the camera to the fast shutter speed so we can get great photos, because here we are not controlling the things, we are controlling our shutter speed in order to get those amazing and irreplaceable moments. So let's come up with the 9th one on the list, which is really interesting. It is to take photos with RAW format. Why? Because JPEG format, it is like a locked photo. You cannot feel free when you are editing it in Lightroom. But with RAW format file, you can have more freedom in editing photos while you are using your Lightroom Pro editing program. So keep it in mind. Well, this feature is available in digital cameras and also in iPhones. I noticed that, yeah, in iPhones. It's great phones, photography. Last but not the least, which is really good to know, which is how to edit photos. Editing photos is an art and it's a skill that really help you to take these, corruptions out of your images, because some images or some photographs, they cannot be taken another time, but you can edit the light, edit the colors, and also add more, more filters to your photo, so you can come up with great results and you can convince your clients that you are great in photography and great also in editing. That's it for this video. I gave you 10 important steps that you have to keep in mind, and also to keep practicing photography through this mindset, and I'm sure you're gonna do your best and you're gonna be an awesome photographer, and I'm sure of that. So that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed watching it, and I hope that you spend a great time here in my YouTube channel, and I really appreciate you spending time here watching this video. Every second you spend here is appreciated a lot, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your likes and comments. Thank you so much for your support. Inshallah, we'll see you in the upcoming video, in a greater, better video. So have a happy time and peace.